for the washing machine. American Standard. The American, like the brand. American Home. American Home. So, so I'm one lucky one that Rick want me to help here on YouTube, so maybe helping. God. Sige, hindi ko mabuksan. Thank you po. Yan. The washing machine. Washing machine. Thank you so much, Rick. More blessings to come. And hope many vloggers, YouTubers here on YouTube, you help helping. Marami ka sanang matulungan pang vlogger na kagaya ko anong ba-vlog dito sa YouTube. So, thank you so much, Rick, and I'm glad that I'm so lucky one that you want to help me. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching, everyone here. So, guys, thank you so much. The Rick from America. Thank you, guys. Thank you for helping me. Oh my God. It helps me a lot. God bless you more.